Despite the withdrawal of two-time double Olympic sprint champion Elaine Thompson-Herah, another Jamaican Olympic champion Shericka Jackson is expected to line up in a strong field in the second Diamond League meet of the season, this in Birmingham, England on Saturday. Jordan Fort reports.
Two-time double Olympic sprint champion Elaine Thompson-Herah, who ranks as the 5th fastest woman in the 100 meters so far this year, with 10.89 seconds, is a late withdrawal from the Birmingham Diamond League in England on Saturday. A release sent on Thursday by her representatives and the sports management indicated that the 5-time Olympic champion decided not to travel after feeling some discomfort in training. No details were given as to the severity of the discomfort or how long the 29-year-old is expected to be sidelined. Fellow Olympic champion Shericka Jackson is, however, slated to compete in the 100 and is expected to face strong challenges from the likes of reigning world 200-meter champion Britain's Dina Asher-Smith, Olympic bronze medalist American Gabby Thomas, and fellow American Cambria Sturgis, who has the second fastest time over the distance so far this year, are also entered. In the male equivalent, 2011 World 100-meter champion Johan Blake will take on American Trayvon Bromell and Andre DeGrasse of Canada. Olympic champions Hansel Parchment and Omar McLeod are expected to do battle in the 110-meter hurdles, while Rhonda White and Genevieve Russell are set to contest the 400-meter hurdles. Natoya Gould is set to go in the 800 meters. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.